The falling trend in viral metrics in the NCR and elsewhere nationwide is increasingly clear as it is global. The OCTA Research Group's latest pronouncement on most of the nation having weathered the worst of the pandemic wave, with key viral numbers continuing to tank, that PTV's Mark Fetalco sums up in this report.
The Philippines' COVID-19 cases may decrease to 5,000 by the end of February. This is according to OCTA Research, as Dr. Guido David pointed out at the Laging Handa briefing that the number of cases have peaked in most parts of the country. These areas include Baguio City, provinces in Calabarzon and Central Luzon, Cebu City, Tacloban and Iloilo in Visayas, and Davao City in Mindanao. OCTA said most of the provinces are still seeing a significant growth rate in new cases coming from Mindanao. Meanwhile, the NCR, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon and Rizal are now at moderate risk from being high risk, with new cases trending downward. Here in the NCR, the positivity rate is currently at 17%, while the average daily attack rate is at 19.58. OCTA reiterated that the government should have waited for 1 to 2 weeks before downgrading the NCR to alert level 2.
Within 2 weeks, it could be earlier. Within 1 to 2 weeks, ay nasa low risk na. So hinintay lang natin basically na bumaba yung positivity rate, na bumaba around less than 10%, and yung ADAR bumaba to less than 10, at bumaba pa ng konti yung hospital utilization. I think papasok na tayo sa low risk classification based na sa metrics na ginagamit namin.
Meanwhile, following the recommendation of Presidential Advisor for Entrepreneurship Joey Concepcion to scrap the alert levels, this is what Dr. David has to say.
May possibility na mababa sa alert level, so titingnan natin healthcare utilization. Kung yung positivity rate natin nasa mga 5% na, possible talaga yan. This is another way of living with the virus, yung ginagawa natin, tulad ng ginagawa sa mga ibang bansa sa Europe.
For Dr. Jose De Grano, President of the Private Hospitals Association of the Philippines, the government should first closely monitor the figures in the following weeks, since more people are expected to roam around this Valentine's Day.
Sabihin natin na bumababa, pero pa rin kadami, 200 plus thousand pa rin ang active cases. So, hindi natin nasabi na libre na tayo. Still, nakakahawa pa rin, nandiyan pa rin yung virus.
As more children are also expected to go outside under Alert Level 2, infectious disease expert Dr. Timmy Jimenez has this reminder for parents.
Kung hindi naman talaga very important ang paglabas, we still have to be cautious kahit na sinabing tayo is Alert Level 2.
Mark Fetalco for The Nation.